First impressions matter, especially in business. But most welcome videos, they're stiff, vague, or worse, they feel like an afterthought. The truth is, a strong welcome video can dramatically shape how your client feels about working with you before you've even exchanged a single email. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create a client-facing welcome video that builds trust, sets expectations, and makes your business feel instantly more polished and personal. And stick around, because at the end I will share the one thing that most businesses forget to include in their welcome video that can cost them clients down the line. I'm Colin from Chromatic Digital Cinema. We help businesses use high-quality video to solve real problems, like growing sales, building trust, training teams, and creating content that works long after the camera shuts off. Welcome videos are one of the easiest and most powerful assets you can create, and today I will show you exactly how to make one that feels human, clear, and professional, even if you've never been on camera before. Okay, step number 1. Set the tone with sincerity, not hype. The best welcome videos don't try to sell, they reassure. Right off the top, thank your viewer for joining, signing up, or reaching out. You're not pitching, you're saying, "We see you and you're in the right place." Example: "Hey, I just wanted to personally say welcome. We're excited to have you here, and our goal is to make this a great experience from start to finish." Keep your tone conversational, like you're speaking to one person, not a crowd. That intimacy builds trust fast. Step number 2, explain what happens next. Confusion kills confidence. Use this video to walk your viewer through what to expect. If they just booked a call, downloaded something, or became a client, what happens now? Example: "You'll get a confirmation email in a few minutes with next steps. If we're doing a discovery call, we'll ask you a few quick questions to get aligned before we meet. Nothing complicated, just helpful context to make sure we set you up for success." This kind of transparency makes you look buttoned up and trustworthy even before the first conversation. Step number 3, reinforce your value. Now's the time to gently restate why they made the right decision by engaging with you. Think, what problem are you helping them solve? What outcome are you guiding them toward? How are you different from others they may have considered? Example: "Our whole focus is helping businesses use video to solve real problems, whether that's making your sales cycle more efficient, improving internal training, or telling your brand story in a way that actually gets results." This isn't a pitch, it's reassurance. You're showing that you understand the journey they're on. Step number 4, show or hint at the human side. One of the fastest ways to build trust is to show that you're a real person, not just a polished brand. Include a quick behind-the-scenes clip, a team intro, or even just show the video in your office or workspace. Bonus tip: if you're solo, just smile. Don't underestimate how much warmth and approachability helps here. Step number 5, end with light direction and an invitation. End with a soft, confident call to action. Invite them to reply, reach out, or take the next step, but keep it friendly. Example: "If you have any questions before we connect, feel free to shoot me an email. Otherwise, we'll talk soon, and I'm looking forward to seeing what we can create together." Avoid hard sells here. The goal is to build a relationship, not trigger skepticism. And finally, here's the big one most people miss. They forget to introduce themselves. It seems obvious, but I've seen dozens of welcome videos where there's no name, no face, and no clear point of contact. Remember, people do business with people. Let me say that again. People do business with people. Say your name, show your face, and let them know who they're about to work with. If this helped and you're thinking about upgrading your own welcome video or building a full client onboarding journey, reach out. We help businesses create content that works after the sale and not just before it. You can also check out our free guide, The 5 Videos Every Business Needs. The link's in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.